So for today's PM, walang specific na asker pero marami nagtatanong sa amin kung ano yung magandang upgrade sa system or worth it pa ba na mag-upgrade if ganito yung PC ko or sulit pa ba mag-change ng CPU kung ganito yung motherboard ko, etc. This is Pwede Magtanong Thursday. Hardware Sugar is a computer shop pero kahit hindi ka customer, gusto pa rin namin makatulong especially para sa mga nagsisimula pa lang sa hobby. So to answer that question, sa PC kasi, yung mga upgrades, hindi siya general in the sense na pwede mong pataasin yung lahat ng performance across the board. Oftentimes, component upgrades only address certain aspects or uses for the PC. This is doubly true kung budget conscious ka. For example, while mahal yung GPU, gaming performance lang yung mapapataas nun. Kung CPU naman, pwedeng overall speed ng productivity apps and multitasking lang. So if you're wondering kung ano at sulit ba ang upgrade, identify mo muna kung saang use or application nagkukulang yung performance ng PC mo. If gaming, syempre yung GPU ang may pinakamalaking impact. For overall responsiveness ng system, pwedeng SSD or additional RAM. Dito na papasok yung pag-research mo dun sa topic ng components. And if magbe-benefit ba yung certain use case mo with that upgrade. Ang key dito is maging specific ka dun sa problem na gusto mong i-address with upgrades. Kasi kung yung component upgrade na yun solves yung kulang niya sa performance ng PC mo, edi madali na rin sagutin if sulit or hindi yung pagbili mo ng upgrade.